For this project, you're going to need the Sylvania 3757A bulb. It's the amber bulb. This is a quick video, and we're going to show you how to access the parking light bulb or the turn signal bulb, but we're not going to go through the details of removing the front grille because there's another video to show you all of those details. Okay, so you can see that the driver's side bulb is out, passenger side is on, so we're going to access and change that bulb. First thing you need to do is take off the 6 retainers that are on top of the grille. You can see this in another video we have on the channel, and it goes through all the specifics on it. But just pull up the centerpiece, and then once you do that, you can pull up the base piece, as you can see in these pictures right here. Once all your clips are removed, I go to the grille and I pull lightly on the top and then lightly on the bottom. Now, I'm not going to remove the grille all the way. I'm just disconnecting it around the parking lights, and I'm just see if I can lean it towards me to have access. So once I do that, I pull and I can access it very easily. As you can see, I'm going to show you, basically I push it down. Let's just say it's in the 3 o'clock position or 9 o'clock position. I'm going to push it down to the 5 or 7 o'clock position. It will pop out, and then I'm going to remove the bulb. Now be careful, you could have a situation where the glass is broken or, I guess seized up. Okay, so if you touch a bulb with your fingers, the salts and oils from your skin will damage that bulb. It causes the heat to concentrate in those areas, so I always use a glove handling a new bulb. You can see it just pushes right in. Make sure it snaps. Again, it's the 3757 amber bulb, and then put it back in the section. But remember, you kind of got to start from either the 5 or 7 o'clock position, depending on which way you're looking at it. And then once you push it in, then you'll feel it go through, and then pull it up to, let's say, the 3 or 9 o'clock position until it locks. And basically, you're done. That's all you need to do. Okay, now you want to test it, make sure it's working. As you can see here, now you got to put the front grille back. And even though I do have that other video that shows you all these details, take a look at these inserts that are on the bottom of the grille that align to the bottom crossbar right there. You want to make sure they're pushed all the way in, and when they are, then you can put the front in, and you can put your retaining clip back in, put the base in first, and then push the center insert down. Sometimes it's in 2 pieces. Well, thank you for watching. Remember, this was just how to replace the parking light bulb or turn signal bulb on your Jeep Wrangler JK. Now, if you really need more information on how to remove your front grille, as I said earlier, we have a video specifically showing you the close-ups and the details on that. So please take a look if you need some additional help. Thank you for watching.